Hi guys, yeah, another video for you, and it's another unboxing, and today I'm unboxing the February 2018, where am I getting this 2017 from? 2018 edition of Glossybox UK. And yeah, the theme, different design as usual, and the theme was Galentine's Day. So Galentine's Day, in case what you don't know what it is, it's something that seems to be celebrated around the 13th of February, and it's basically celebrate your girlfriends, celebrate girls, and being friendship and things like that. So yeah, that's what it's all about, and very pretty, very pretty inside. I've had this for a little while now, so I have seen a couple of sneaky peeks. So yeah, right. What does it say? Welcome to the Galentine's Glossybox edition. This month is all about having fun out in the town with your best friend or your bae this Valentine's Day. Bae. We're so happy to have one of the best eye palettes we've ever had in Glossybox alongside a cruelty-free Steve Laurant product. Ciate is a brand which has taken the beauty world by storm at the moment, have been for years, not a very blogger-friendly brand unfortunately. And we're in love with the Studio 10 fixing spray. A fixing spray like this is a great way to ensure your makeup stays fresh all day. In other glossy news, we're working hard to secure some exciting and exclusive Look Fantastic offers, and which will be dropping in your inbox soon. So, undo the ribbon. Right, okay. First thing, Ciate London, various colours, geology and paint pots. Say hello to this month's discovery brand Ciate. Based in London and loved by Beyonce, Adele and Kylie Jenner to name but a few, this fearless brand is renowned for its huge range of colours and powerful creativity. But most importantly, we love Ciate's no-nonsense approach to animal cruelty. Your Ciate nail polish is PETA certified and vegan friendly. I never knew they were PETA certified, so there you go. With a gel finish, Ciate's polishes allow flexibility to minimise chipping and provide up to 10 days of high gloss shine. The colour I've got is Lucky 7. And this is a mini size, I'm assuming. Well, it is a mini size, I know it is. And it is £6 for the mini size. 5ml. Ooh, where am I going? There's the lens. And it's nice. It's like a really hot coral. Very nice for summer. It's almost like a neon colour. Coral. It's not really shown up as neon there, but I'm going to show you it is. But that's that. So that's that. That's the first thing. Right, here's a selection of the products that feature in this month's box. Okay, I was going to say you can't get all that because that's a lot of things. So instead of breaking them down, they've just done a generic sort of leaflet this time round. So let's see what we get. First thing, Steve Laurant. Okay. Now, I haven't heard of this brand before, and I think I've had a couple of things in recent boxes from it. So it's one of those brands, I think, that pops up in beauty boxes. And rose gold box is beautiful. Hello, hello, you can see me. Right, let's see what's inside. Oh, ooh, that's pretty. Live your life in colour. And the colour is Nude Pop. Nude Pop. Oh, that's very nice. It's like a peachy nude. Looking very dark there, but it's not as dark as that. I will swatch a bit for you. Oh, that's very pretty. Very pale peachy nude. Again, it's not looking right. It's a lot peachier than that. It's a bit peachier than that. That's really pretty though. Let's see what it says. It looks as though it's a full size as well. Does it give a size? 3.5 grams. This gorgeous creamy lip tint is cruelty-free, hydrating and long-lasting. Is this a full size? Is this a full size? Is this a full size? It just says full size, £17. So I'm assuming that's the full size. Right, next product I got is this, which is the Studio 10 Makeup Mist Glow-Plexion. And that is a, what's the size? Have you got a size? Have you got a size? I can't find a size in the bottle, but I'll have a look and I'll put the information below if I can find it. This mist instantly primes, refreshes and hydrates lackluster skin. It can also be used as a setting spray. Mini size 20 mils, £14 I think. Again, I'll let you know below when I've had a proper look at that. So that's that. Okay, Skin Chemist London. Okay, I haven't got that. I didn't get that. Rodial Glam Lash. I didn't get that either. Illusion Eye Love. I didn't get that either. What did I get? Icona Milano, that's what I got. Icona Milano and Emotional Loud Mascara. With a creamy formula perfect for building extreme volume at last, this mascara is cruelty-free, smudge, water and humidity resistant. Full size, £15. And this is 10ml, so this is definitely full size. I think I've had this before, but I don't know if I've tried it yet, but I think I've had this before. So full size mascara. Is there anything else in it? No, there's not. This is quite confusing actually, because you're having a look and you think, have I got enough products? It doesn't even tell you how many products you should have. I mean, I know it's usually 5, so that's about right. But it's a bit confusing. I hope they don't stick with this. And the final product is the one that I've seen everyone talking about on the internet. And it is the Sleek Makeup Various Colours Divine Eyeshadow Palette. Take your look from natural to dramatic with the 12 super pigmented shades in this palette. Full size, £8.99. And it is the Storm palette. Oops. I already own this, I'm afraid. So I might be giving this away at some point because I don't really have any need for it. It's lovely, it's beautiful. Mine's the old style one. They used to sort of, they used to be slightly embossed, the shadows. So mine's the old one, but it's still fine. So I don't really need this. So it's a brilliant value for money. Sleek palettes are excellent. I did actually, many years ago, I did win all of the Sleek palettes that were out at that point. I won a competition on Facebook with Sleek and I literally won everything that they did. So I do have most of the old style ones anyway. So as brilliant as that is, I won't be opening it for you because there's no need and I'm not keeping it. So that was that. Value wise, that's pretty amazing. Let's just look at the stuff that I got. So that's 6, 17, possibly 14, 15, £8.99. The value is definitely there. You can definitely not complain about the value with Glossybox. And again, you definitely can't complain with this one. The lip tint's gorgeous. Fix and Spray is really useful. I'm really into those at the moment, because my skin's been quite dry. I wouldn't say dry, I'd say dehydrated more than anything. I'm still got shiny in spots, but it just doesn't feel quite tight on occasion. So I've really enjoyed using like a lot of sprays and spray mists and things. The Ciate colour is perfect for summer. And that just looks really pretty. Another mascara. Mascaras and eyeliners really are the staple of boxes, I must be honest. But yeah, not a bad one from Glossybox. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think about this box. Do you think that's good? Have you tried any of the products in it before? Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you very soon with a new video, which should be the February 2018 unboxing of Pink Parcel. So thanks for watching, and I will see you really soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.